Hello there, today I'm going to show my children how to make eggless cupcakes. My middle boy Josh has an egg allergy, so this is a totally eggless recipe. For the cake mixture we need 140 grams or 5 ounces of plain flour, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of caster sugar, 40 millilitres of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You also need a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, as well as 120 millilitres of milk, and finally some cupcake cases. For the buttercream icing you'll need 250 grams or 9 ounces of icing sugar, 125 grams or 4.5 ounces of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then choose a selection of fun toppings like squirty cream, maybe some chocolate spread, some sweets, mini chocolate eggs and plenty of sprinkles. And there's a recipe card at the end of the video, so don't worry about writing all of this down. Okay boys, who wants to make some cupcakes? Okay boys, so we're going to make some cupcakes. Alfie, would you like to start putting the ingredients in the bowl? Now, what is that first of all? Does anybody know what that is?
Flour.
Flour, yes, that's right. And now if you can put some sugar. Okay. Now we need some oil.
Oil.
No, that's vanilla essence. Good try. That's milk. You can put it all in. It doesn't really matter what order. That is baking powder. What do you think that might be?
Sugar.
No, that's salt. And a bit of vanilla essence. Smell that, boys. What does it smell like?
Oh my god, that smells so nice.
What does it smell like?
Go smell it. Smells like toffee. Do you smell that? I do.
Smells like toffee, yeah. And then the oil, yep. And bless you. Nice. I hope that didn't go in the bowl.
And that's the water. That's the pond.
It's not switched on
No,
yet.
that's the sea.
Right. It's time to spoon the mixture into the cupcake cases until they're about 3/3 full.
Ew. Do not eat this stuff, guys, if you're watching. It will stick your jaws and you have to throw Okay. Keep watching. Don't go away. See you next time. Bye. Alex, you're not finished. Yes, we are. We need to put them in the oven and decorate them. Oh, yeah. Well, don't leave. So yummy. In your tummy. If you put them in the oven, they'll grow up strong.
Now put the cakes in the oven on a baking tray, 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay boys, while the cakes are cooking, I'm just going to pop to the loo. Be good.
Alex, come look at the bowl. Lift it up. Oh, let me try again. Gosh, go and look at the bowl.
buttercream icing to make. We're going to make some icing now, some buttercream icing. So can you put the butter into the bowl? It's nice soft butter.
I actually want to do it. That.
Yeah, that's good. And then put the flour into the bowl.
Flour. I want to do the flour.
Oh, let Alex put the flour in. No, not with your hand, darling. Just tip the bowl into the big bowl.
All it.
Yeah, all of it.
Careful. Let me hold it. No, do it. Oh, you're dusty. It's dusty. It looks like hot.
Yeah.
Now you do it, Josh, okay?
Now you need to put that little bit of milk in as well, Alex.
Josh! This.
No, the milk. The little pot of milk, that's it.
That one. Over it, Mummy. I did it. No, you see it.
Now, hold the bowl. Hold the bowl, otherwise it might go all over you.
Hold the bowl, Alex.
We don't want that.
Now it.
Stop. Oh no! The thing's come off.
The butter!
Let me switch it off at the wall. Well, I'll just quickly get a spatula. So the cakes are nicely cooked and now cooling, and we've reverted to a spatula to make the buttercream icing. Okay boys, those cakes are looking delicious. Are you ready to decorate?
Yeah.
Put whatever you want on, however you like it.
Then we can eat them. Straight after. Oh! Let me try. Maybe I haven't shaped it enough. Oh!
Sorry.
Happy smile. Mummy, yeah.
This one? Bit on yours, Alfie?
No.
Oh! There's a recipe card coming up at the end where you can take a screenshot. So nice, Alex. Oh, delicious. What's yours looking like, Josh?
I want some eggs.
Oh, now those are the eggs you can eat because they're just sweeties, aren't they? They're not real eggs. Blimey, Alfie.
Yeah, I want some.
Let's have a look at yours. Wow, that's got quite a lot of stuff on it there, Alfie.
I love sugar.
I think you're going to be having a
Mummy,
sugar
look
rush.
at mine now.
Wow. That is looking good.
Now it's finished.
With a bit of practice, your cupcakes could look like this. But you know what? They taste great anyway. So what are you going to do with it?
I can eat it.
Going to eat it?
Can we eat it now?
Yay!
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, what do you think, boys? Is that nice? Yeah? Do you want to make them again? Another day?
Yeah.
This is heaven. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe and like for some more videos.
Shall we try that again, Alfie?
Make sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more videos. Bye!
Bye, fans.
And here's the recipe card. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a like and hit that subscribe button.